I'll be straight with you. It's not dropshipping. It's not print on demand. This pays six figures. People are quietly reselling automation workflows built in one free tool, n8n. n8n is a drag and drop builder. Zero code required. It connects over 400 apps like Gmail, Slack, and Stripe. New AI agent nodes let workflows called GPT-4 or Claude Midflow. Agencies charge clients $500 to $2,000 per automation build. I spent 3 weeks building the exact same thing for free, self-hosted, forever. Comment agency below if you want the full breakdown. Zapier starts at $19.99 a month for just 750 tasks. Make.com starts at $9 for 10,000 operations. n8n self-hosted, $0. Unlimited executions forever. n8n Cloud starts at $20 a month for 2,500 executions. Self-hosted costs nothing. You just rent a $5 server. The same one I've been running for months. Most side hustlers run their entire client business off that one server. My score, 9 out of 10 for anyone serious about automation. Pros: free hosting, real AI agent nodes, 400 plus integrations. Con: it's harder to learn than Zapier. Took me about a week to get comfortable, but worth it anyway. Drop a comment if you're already running n8n for clients. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.